Keep your kitchen and sport knives razor sharp with the Presto Ever-Sharp electric knife sharpener. Its two-stage sharpening system quickly and easily sharpens most any non-serrated blade for professional results in the convenience of your home. Precision blade guides position the knife at the ideal sharpening angle for perfect results every time. Sapphirite grinding wheels are made of the same ultra-hard material used in professional shops. Stage 1 begins the sharpening process by creating a precision angled edge. Just draw the knife through each slot a few times. Then move on to Stage 2 and complete the sharpening. Once again, simply draw the knife through each slot a few times, and the blade is sharpened to a razor edge. It's the fast and easy way to get professional knife sharpening results at home. The Presto Ever-Sharp electric knife sharpener. Professional 3-stage model also available.